Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScore.com. For this one we are looking at an indicator called the Twitter Score that is powered by TwitterScore.io. It's one of the most interesting metrics in the community category and it goes way beyond just counting followers. So let's continue and take Solana as an example. When we go to Community Score, we can scroll down and see the Twitter Score here. So what is the Twitter Score? It's a score from 0 to 1000 that measures the quality of a project's audience, not the size, the quality. Specifically, it looks at how many prestigious accounts follow the projects. We are talking major influencers, well-known crypto projects, top exchange, prominent investors. The more high-profile accounts that follow you, the higher your score. And for that, it generated daily by TwitterScore.io and integrated directly into CryptoScore.com as part of the community scoring. So let's take a look at Solana. As you can see, the Twitter score, it's about 999 out of 1000, rated excellent. That's essentially a perfect score, and it makes sense because Solana is followed by pretty much every major player in the space: influencers, exchanges, venture capitalists, and other top projects. They are all there. And when we click on the link in CryptoScores, we can go to TwitterScores.io and we can see why it is so excellent. And as we can see, there is 3.74 million followers accounts created since January 2018, never renamed, everything checks out. This is what a top tier social profile look like. So now, here's why this matters so much. We have already seen that follower count alone can be misleading. You can buy followers, you can attract bots, but you can't fake who follows you. If the biggest name in crypto are following a project, this is real credibility, and that's organic reputation built over time. Think of it like this. Having 1 million followers is one thing. Having Vitalik, Binance and Andreessen Horowitz in that million, that's a completely different story. On the flip side, if a project has a large follower count but a low Twitter score, that's a signal worth investing. It could mean the audience is mostly retail, mostly bots, or that the project simply hasn't earned recognition from the key players in the industry yet. Let's take a look at Loopring. The community score is pretty bad, only 24 over 100. But when we look at the Twitter score here, it's only 192 points, not that catastrophic, but not that good either. And as we can see, after a big upward curve on the follower growth, there is less and less follower. As we can see on the Twitter change of 1 year to 7 days, every metric is in negative, so not that good for Loopring. And this is what ties everything together. Over the last few videos, we have looking at raw follower count, follower growth over time, and the last tweet date, and now the quality of the audience itself. Each one tells you something different, and together on CryptoScores, they give you a complete view of a project's social health, from quantity to momentum to activity to credibility. So to conclude our deep dive into the community indicators on CryptoScore.com, you now have the tools to evaluate any project's social presence like a pro. Head over to CryptoScore.com to try it yourself, and we will see you in the next one.